The next layer of our pyramid is creating solutions. Being the centerpiece of the application, the modules and tools in this category are diverse and have many features. Each component will be introduced with a high-level summarization, but more details are provided in dedicated videos and documentation at Syntasa University and Help Center. Workspace is the central area to create, manage, and utilize apps, notebooks, and dashboards. Each object is represented as a card and can be accessed by navigating the folders. The cards can be dragged and reorganized into folders as needed. The objects can also be retrieved by searching across folders using the search and filter options. Let's look at the key features of an app. An app consists of various nodes representing data sources, process nodes, and output tables. In this example, we have a connection as the data source. Instead of a connection, the input can also be a data store. The process nodes perform the ingress of data, data transformations, AI and ML models, and countless operations. The output can be pushed to database tables, files, or other downstream systems. Since the Syntasa application can be installed in your data center or private cloud, the data is written to your organization's storage. Also, the data is provided in non-proprietary formats such as Avro, Parquet, CSV, and others. Clicking on any of the nodes will bring up a bottom panel where the configuration details, table schemas, and data previews can be seen. The options available vary per the type of node selected. A connection node only has a configuration tab to select the desired connection, which is defined in the connections screen. The process nodes have more configuration tabs and vary based on the process type. This example, the From BQ process, has many configuration tabs. One of them, Schema, shows the schema of the table it is reading from. Output nodes also provide several tabs including table information, schema, and stats about the data, but also a preview of the data. The top of the app's workflow canvas has a production indicator. This is to differentiate the production section of the app from the area for development. As previously reviewed, in the production section of the app you can view the configurations and preview the data, but edits to the app are restricted to the development section of the app. The development workflow looks similar to production, but the nodes can be edited, and this side panel provides data stores, connections, and processes that can be dragged onto the canvas to further build out the solution. While the list of no-code processes is extensive, there are several processes where code can be written for those steps that need to be fully customized. Additionally, if an algorithm that's captured in a code process needs to be reused in several apps, it can be converted into a no-code process by way of a user-defined process. The list of user-defined processes is also available in the list of processes that can be dragged on the canvas. As the app is created and altered in development, the processes can be tested with sample data by running jobs in the development environment. The color of the process nodes indicates the status of the most recent execution of the process. A red process node indicates the latest attempt failed, while a green process node indicates that it was completed successfully. Once satisfied with the changes to the app, the development version can be deployed to production. The jobs in both the development and production sections of the app can be viewed in the activity portion of the side panel. From here, the history of the jobs and the logs of each step can be reviewed. While deploying the app from development to production, all the nodes and configurations are carried forward, but the development jobs are left behind. Production jobs need to be created separately. Another difference between the environments is that in the production job configuration, there is a section to schedule the jobs. Only production jobs have this option, which can be set up per date and time or based on a trigger. More details regarding apps can be found in additional videos at Syntasa University and documentation in the Help Center.